Friends, Running Kimono here. So we're looking at the Curbside deals for April the 9th. Curbside is you go on the app, desktop computer, or your cell phone, hit that blue button on the left-hand side and have the items to pick up at the store, and it's called a curbside pickup. Very easy to do. Some of the deals with IBOTTA, make sure that your IBOTTA and Walgreens account are attached. Failing that, hopefully you'll get a receipt so you could photograph it. If you're more of a shopper that likes to go in the store and look around and see what they have, I made a video yesterday. Check it out. And there's some 90% off diapers and feminine care. Excellent deals. Okay, so deal number one, we're diving right into this morning. We're going to grab one of these L'Oreal makeup wipes for $6.79. There's a whole host of the Revitalift products that are attaching with the $5 digital. So if this is not your thing, you can grab something else. Just look through the list. We're also going to grab a Mother's Day card for $3.99. We're going to load the following digital coupons that include a $5 off for the L'Oreal Revitalift, and just click on the coupon and see what's attaching. And then our $3 coupon for the Mother's Day card, and we're looking for a Mother's Day card that is $3.99. Looking at the overall basket, guys, it's $10.78. Curbside pickup is free. We have $8 coming off right there. So $3.01. You know what I personally would do? Use $3 in Walgreens cash, pay that cent, and call this a fabulous deal. Okay, my friends, deal number two. So we are going to make sure that we have a bunch of these Mother's Day coupons loaded. I think a lot of us got like 5 or 6 per account, which is crazy, but I got quite a few. So if you might have gotten a few, we're going to put 3 in a basket for $11.97. So your mom, your grandma, your mother-in-law, just everybody's going to get a Mother's Day card for this price point. So you can see where this is going. 3 of them is $11.97. Subtracting $9 in digital coupons, you're paying $3.22. I personally would use $3 in Walgreens cash and pay 22 cents and call this a super smart deal. Okay, so the next deal we're looking at, we are going to be grabbing some of the fancy dancy L'Oreal Elvive shampoo. They are 2 for $9, and we have some digital coupons that are attaching with the IVC. We're going to kind of dip down below, so we're going to throw in one of those Mother's Day cards. We're going to load the following coupons that include a 4 off a 2. This week we got a 3 off a 2 as well, if you wanted to shake it up a little bit. And then we have this IVC, which is a 2 off a 2. Please make sure you have that loaded, along with our best friend, which is a $3 off for one of the Mother's Day cards. Looking at the overall basket, guys, it's $12.99, $2 IVC melting off, free curbside pickup, $7 in manufacturers melting off right there. So the new total is $4.32. I personally would use $4 in Walgreens cash and pay that 32 cents and get 2 beautiful shampoos and a Mother's Day card. Like, what a great basket. Okay, deal number 4. Now, this is an interesting one. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon, and then we have a triple pack of Crest toothpaste, a double pack of floss, and then the floss picks for $5. The double pack of the floss and the floss picks, very good deal. So I personally am super lazy, so these picks is what it's all about for me. Throwing 3 of these into a cart for $15. Subtracting that $5 digital, you're going to pay $10.90. You can roll $10 in Walgreens cash if you wish. That's what I would do. Pay the 90 cents and get back $5 in Walgreens cash. It's just a superb deal. It's like $1.66 per. And if you go through these picks quite a bit, I would definitely stock up because we haven't seen a deal for picks. Alternatively, the double pack of floss, also terrific. And the final deal that we have, deal number 5, it is with my best friend, the Centrum. Now, you're either going to have a $4 or a $2 digital. You pick. If you loaded the other one from last week, it's a lot better than the $2 one. But if you want these gummies on the cheap, the $2 one will still create a pretty good deal. So these are $10.99, and you're looking specifically for the 100 count. That's the one that you want. So throwing one of those into the basket, the $4 digital's coming off, $6.99. I would use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.99. And IBOTTA is giving back $4 for the purchase of this. So it drops it down to $2.99 after everything's said and done, or $4.99 if you have the $2 digital coupon. And that $4 digital was last week only that you could load it. So that's the interesting part. But here's the IBOTTA rebate. Make sure that you have it. And I did this deal with success yesterday. So yeah, if you like the gummy vitamins, a personal favorite in our household, I would definitely stock up. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.